What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So a lot of things have been moving today. We've seen Shiba Inu make a move. We've seen, Dogecoin make a move. We've seen a lot of other things that have been moving a lot, whether it's 10, 15, 20, 30, 40, 50, 100%, right? Things are moving quite a bit. There's been one clear winner, though, within my portfolio for today's price action, and I think it deserves a lot more love and attention than what it has received, in the past. We've seen this get to a high levels compared to where it was. We've seen it grow massive percentages, 10x or 1,000% at one point. 1,600% actually, I think more to be specific. But if we look at the growth that we've seen today, this is just the beginning for this play. And I think it will be absolutely amazing for a lot of people that are looking for an entry point in an early position. And that position, right, is going to be, again, one of the top movers within my watch list, which if I go to the last 24 hours, is Lucky's Lepre coin, currently up 149% in 24 hours. Absolutely amazing to see this level of growth. And we're not just going to focus on the growth there, but we're also going to focus on the team, the security, just everything about it in this video. But if we look at this, it's up 149%. So before we get into that, make sure you guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below for Lucky's Lepre coin if you guys want to go and check it out for yourself. If you want to buy it, whatever you want to do with it, you can go and check out those links. Don't forget my link for Margex if you guys want to sign up for that platform and start leverage trading today. But Lucky's Lepre coin, again, is up 149%, 113% over the last 7 days. It's up to a drop zero level, 0.00000 1642. So a drop zero, 1642. Amazing to see that level of growth. We are seeing the volume is at a $1 billion, or sorry, $1 million volume day. We're also seeing that the market cap is at a 1 million or 1.1, almost $1.2 million market cap day for today. We have 85% volume to market cap ratio. So you understand that with things that are this early, that are this low in the market cap, and have that much volume, the 85% volume to market cap ratio, it shows that it can react off of a very small amount of volume, 1 million compared to like what's happening in Shiba Inu, which is like $14 billion. You see 1 million over here that can move at 150%. Imagine what 2 million and 3 million and 4 million and 10 million could do with Lucky's Lepre coin. So understand from an investment side of things, it looks absolutely amazing in the growth that it has seen. Now, if we look at the past and where this has been in the last 7 days, like I said, it's up 113%. In the last month, it's up 123%. And in the last year, it's up 1,027% overall. So this came from a lowish market cap, which is not going to show, a low market cap of less than $100,000. And it was able to grow up to a point where it was at a 1.2 million dollar market cap, and now we're seeing it back up to this point of about 1.2 million dollar market cap. So it's approaching those levels, and hopefully it does hold those levels and continue to skyrocket because it deserves it. What Lucky's Lepre coin has been able to do since then has been amazing. And I've talked about this in my last video, right? They have different markets that they're available on. They have Uniswap, you have Bitconomy Exchange, 2Bit, Tokepi, and also Coin Store. So you have different exchanges that they're available on. Are they top tier exchanges? No, they're not top tier exchanges, but you work your way up to those points. Getting MEXC, getting KuCoin, getting Binance and Coinbase and Kraken and all of these other platforms that they're looking to launch on. You have 711 billion Lucky's LP, and all of it is released out there. Now, also in a level of security, just to understand that portion of it, their sniff score is 100 out of 100. Contract renounced. It's not a honeypot. They have no tax on their contract. So you know that everything is legit. You know that they care. And just to add to that care, if we go over to the website and we focus on the team is completely doxed. You have all their information on LinkedIn if you wanted to go ahead and check that out. But the overall project is just well put together. and I wish it just got a lot more traction than where it is right now. Like I'm gonna show you. Yeah, if you go over to the website, Lucky's Leprechaun, you go over to the team, you're gonna see that they're completely docs that are here, right? So you have all the information from the team. They're open to answering questions, to talk about the project, to see where it's going. It's not just about the hype, which we do care about the investment side, but it's not just about the hype. It's about understanding the mission and how many people can become not just become wealthy, but also better their situation, better their life, and be a part of a meme coin that has that level of security that not a lot of meme coins end up having, right? They don't. So that's fantastic. You do have the audit here if you wanted to go through that. Centralized exchanges, they have a list of that, and they do have their roadmap and where they plan to go. They do plan on launching on 20 centralized exchanges, and look to integrate a NFT marketplace. Expansion to more global exchanges, Lucky's Leprechaun merchandise, and all of that. Partnerships with online games for Lucky's Leprechaun usage. So they're looking to do a bunch of things to have not only the meme coin side of it, but also the use case side of it. And I've been able to see these level of benefits in the form of growth. I do hold Lucky's Leprechaun, and I plan on holding it. I hope to see this at a $100 million market cap, because I think if all these other ones can turn into $100 million market cap, you can see, Myro at $100 million market cap, which is a fantastic project. But you can see a lot of other ones that are at 100 million, 200 million, a billion, 2 billion, 10 billion. I feel like Lucky's Leprechaun can get up there with launching on exchanges and getting into CEXs, getting into people's, eyeballs, like you right in front of your eyes. And hopefully I can help with that. You'll have that opportunity to do so. So definitely go ahead and give Lucky's Leprechaun a look. It is currently up, like I said, 150% on the day in the last 24 hours. And we hope to see a lot more volume into this, and a lot more like bigger picture items that do come with it. Now they like to focus on military veterans community and the connection there, and also, like I said, they have the docs team overall and how we're trying to see them build something really big with this project. And it's just great to see something happen, and for them to get back up to not only the high levels that they were at, but also break that high level that they were at, getting back to about a $1.2 million market cap. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. If you guys want to check out any of the links down below for Lucky's, feel free to go ahead and look at that. I will provide everything that you need to see down there. Again, I am invested into it. I should put the tracking on CoinMarketCap so you can see where I'm standing and the portfolio update and what's happening within it. But anyways, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. And make sure you guys check out their Twitter account and ask them any questions if you want to ask them anything, which you can. So I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.